man. I get it though. Listen, it's a part of the journey, it's a part of the story, it's all a part of it. But do you know when it's just like, no, man, I shouldn't be making these mistakes.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
People, them. Yeah, man. It's basically about 9:30 in the morning. I'm going to tell you what we're going to do today. Today, I can't do my laptop. I can't show you my trading from my laptop. I got work today, innit? So I'm basically going to be showing it like this and screen recording on my phone and that. But yeah, man, obviously Google had good earnings yesterday. I'm going to show you a little info about that. Show you how AMD didn't beat earnings, declined. Well, I'm not sure actually. I'm going to check that out a bit later and then get back to you the information on that one. What other key things happened? I'm going to go through the economic data for the day, still like usual. Still do live trading and that. And yeah, man. Do you know what I mean? Obviously yesterday as well, I was meant to post, but I didn't because I recorded it, got all the content and that, checked my laptop, and I'm trying to edit it and the audio is not even there. I forgot to put the mic on that, so I'm donut. But it's a man, innit? Lesson learned. Can't make that same mistake again. So yeah, man. Obviously, if I want to learn a little something, you get a little educational, get involved, and you want to keep seeing the journey, just keep watching, man. Love. Yeah. So yeah, also yesterday, nothing really happened. Took a Tesla trade. The setup was beautiful, but whereas I didn't get the contract at the right specific time, it kind of messed up my execution. And I took a loss yesterday. It was like -3%, nothing major. I think it was like a £65 or nothing. So right now we're break even from the start to get, but that ain't nothing, man. Hopefully now after earnings, the market shouldn't be so pinned and we should be able to look for some great moves today. Even though I'm on my phone, it's gonna be a bit harder. It's still gonna work to get. So yeah, man, that's about it, man. Alright, cool. Here was where I got into my Tesla play. Right, you see where that long line is? Literally the bottom there. That's where I tried to buy a contract at 6. At the time, the premium of that contract was 6.00. But as you can see, when I got in, it was 6.30. Do you know what I'm saying? So that kind of messed up already. Do you know what I mean? I kind of got in a bit late, which kind of messed up the results, as you'll be able to see. Do you know what I mean? Alright, cool. But this is where my entry level mattered. Because look, here I would have took profit from that entry level before. But as you can see, I'm only 6% up. It didn't make sense. The entry really mattered there. So what I really should have done was to take profit from there, because when I checked the higher time frames and stuff, I could tell that Tesla just kept declining and declining. It was on a downtrend for just that specific day. Higher lows off of key levels as well. It kept higher lowing in, and then it would go high and read. That was the last opportunity for me to get a call before it rejected back again. And I could show you the chart and show you that's literally what happened. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, literally, man. So I just decided to take minimal losses, man. 'Cause I knew it was gonna happen. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I decided to sell my contract, like literally right here, because I could see it. Look, you can even see it from there. Look at that. Look, see up there? It's the higher high, then a higher low, then a higher low for key level again. I said, yeah, man, I'm just gonna sell and call it a day. Do you know what I'm saying? Literally. So cool. Let me show you the idea behind the Tesla bounce that I was aiming for and why. Cool. If we go into the hourly time frame and we go all the way back to after Tesla had earnings, it gapped up amazingly. Do you know what I'm saying? You see that the big candles that just gapped up and just avoided so many key levels and just kept on rising and rising and rising. Well, look there. Those levels there is untested demand, meaning buyers that wanted to buy. The stock kept rising so fast that not every single person that wanted to buy at that level was able to buy. So there's still pending orders. There's still buyers sitting there at that level waiting for it to come back down so they can buy into that area that they wanted. Hence is why we call it a bounce. That's why the stock bounced off that level. There were so many buyers there waiting. It just, do you know what I'm saying? And yeah, that's the idea behind the bounce, or when I try to go for a trade type of bounce. Here, this is me yesterday, just putting the lost. Do you know what I'm saying? Because I'm going to be transparent throughout the whole way. We've always got a journal of things and what's going on. So, one win, one loss, minor win, minor loss, nothing really too special, do you know what I mean? And nothing too bad, can't complain. So, that's just the journal from yesterday. Got to keep you guys updated. So cool. Quickly, we're just going to get into the Google earnings and why they've gapped up so well and why investors are happy. So, they reported impressive revenues of approximately 88.3 billion. That's a 15% increase year over year. That growth is largely driven by its digital advertising and cloud services, which basically lets businesses show ads in Google search results. For example, YouTube, like, you know, the adverts you see on YouTube, they get paid for that. The adverts you go type on Google, you might get an advert, they get paid for that. That's a very good business model that they have, to be honest. Their advertising revenue remains strong with notable contributions from YouTube and search, showcasing dominance in the ad market. Do you know what I'm saying? In the advertising market. That's why Meta, at the same time, gapped up as well. Because it's all connected. Meta owns Instagram, WhatsApp. It's a social media thing, and it's important because Meta likes to run ads on Google for all the social media. Do you know what I'm saying? This is why Meta is a very good company as well. It's all connected. So that's why Meta gapped up as well, because it means, oh wow, that means more social traffic throughout all of them platforms. Instagram, WhatsApp, what's the other one he owns? Facebook, all of that. Do you know what I'm saying? Cool, now we're going to get into AMD. You're probably wondering what AMD is, but AMD is a multinational semiconductor company known for designing and manufacturing microprocessors, graphic processors, and other technology solutions. They initially focused on producing logic chips and memory, but it has since evolved into a key player in the CPU and GPU markets. So basically, you know, like how laptops are made and stuff, laptops, your Xbox, your gaming PCs, stuff like that. They make the things that go into that, the processors, the graphic cards, the GPU, the CPU. Do you know what I'm saying? All that geeky stuff, man, don't really know too much about. Also, one thing you should know, their main market competitor is Nvidia. And you know what Nvidia is doing right now? Crazy. But yeah, let's get into the earnings. So yeah, basically, like, AMD reported revenue of 6.8 billion. That's very good at 18% year-over-year increase, which is due to key products such as their Ryzen processors, the EPYC processors, which is a server-grade CPU designed for data centers, the Radeon graphic card, that's GPUs for gaming and for professional use. As I said, you know what I mean? But the main reason why the stock fell was because investors are looking to see if all the investment into AI is actually worth the hype. Still, their AI guidance fails to impress the forecast less revenue than expected for its December quarter. The company management also raised its AI data center guidance for 2024 and failed to impress investors. Overall, they're a good company. I do want to invest into them in the future, but I'm waiting for their stocks to drop a little bit lower. Overall, but the main reason why shares dropped after their earnings, they reported good revenue, good increase, good, like, the business is good. It's just everybody wants to see what are you doing with AI, because AI is such a strong thing right now. It's changing the world. The world is literally changing before our eyes. Do you know what I'm saying? So yeah, cool. Let's go into my trading view app. Let's try and pick out the stocks for the day. Do you know what I'm saying? It's a bit hard on the phone, but we move. Better if I slide it this way. SPY, still on the same level, still range bound. QQQ. Oh, okay, hold on a minute. Where is it? That 501 level. See, that could be a potential long opportunity off that level. Apple's got earnings, no. Tesla, cool. You see how I told you about the bounce? But we still got untested demand at this 549 level, 249. So I could be watching that today with the 252. Lovely. Netflix doesn't have earnings. Okay. Not really appealing. Don't really want to watch that. Meta's got post earnings. They're up because of Google. Microsoft got earnings. Not doing it. Google, what are we in? 181. You see that gap? You see how it's like that? So ideally a beautiful trade would be a 170 bounce, a 172 bounce. If we are able to get a pullback towards that level. Do you understand what I'm saying? I don't think we'll get that today, depending on what the stock does today. My swing should be pretty good. I should have added to it, but that's gambling. It doesn't make, to be fair. Spotify, see what Spotify's doing. All-time highs, no. CrowdStrike, I love trading CrowdStrike. I've been trading CrowdStrike. Okay, now look. It's broken my trend line, which means now that downtrend it was in might have reversed. So what we could look for, I might look for the 313 break and retest, or the 308. So CrowdStrike is definitely on the list today. Man, let's get ready for market opening, man. Let's get ready for market opening. Yo. Watching this CrowdStrike level still. 5 minutes. You know we gotta change the layout. Do you know what I mean? Bish bash bosh. No. This is meant to be SPY. Market open though. Man, I hate trading on the phone, man. It's much harder. 8 and 9. Oh, forgot about that. Let's show you how my swing's going along. Oh, you know, I'm gonna have to cut this out. Can't let you. Damn, son. £200 in profit. We're gonna see how today does. To be honest, I should sell one contract that's at 30%, to be fair. Ideally, I should. The video hasn't been on YouTube, but how I'm not worried about this, because I got time. Do you know what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure you guys saw mine 60%. I was like 6 bills down. Now I'm £260 up. Like, do you know what I mean? I wasn't worried at all. But let's go back to the market, man. Cool. I'm about to jump into a play right now. Market just seems like it's flushing right now. I'm due to hop into a quick. I see stocks just dumping, yeah. I'm gonna buy 3 contracts of these. I hate this on my phone. But I feel like I should have done NVIDIA as well. key level. But wow, man. 6%. Lord, I went from Apple being fucking 200 up to being only 3%. Got 3 contracts, 10% up. Ivy's a bit low for this though, I don't get it. This guy's just dumping. How's it 10%? I don't get it. Yeah, man, not looking. It's not a good day, man. I don't know. I must have. I don't know what happened. I must have traded news or something. But yeah, minus 22%. 2 bills. First trade of the day. Feels like I'm on a fucking drawdown, but you move, man. Ain't nothing. Do you know what I mean? Charge it. Make it back. Well, I literally just bought CrowdStrike calls for 313 level. I didn't size in all my position. I just wanted to. I just wanted to wait, because if it goes a bit low, I can scale in and get a lower price and get my average a bit down. That's the thought. That's the process behind that, though. I only bought 1 contract because I want to scale in. Literally. Got to update my 8%. It's not really going to be much though, because I wanted to scale in. It was only this is only worth £300, so the return's going to be kind of shit. 10% of £300, fucking £30. You know what I mean? It's some bullshit. But here's what it is, innit? Can't. At least it's going right. Also jumped into a Tesla play, the 262 reject. I scaled in again as well, so it's not that much. It's only 600. If I can get to the point, my ideal entry, I'll add another contract in. But if not, then it's
I got some stress on my shoulders, so let me brush it.
Yeah, I bought more contracts on Tesla, so we'll see. Hold on, I'll show you now. Still 6% down. CrowdStrike's not going. Come like I'm on a drawdown, guys, man. Fucking hell, but we'll see what happens, man. Well, this is what revenge trading does. I should have just took, because after that loss I was actually pretty upset. I should have just fucking called it a day, but you know, it is what it is, man. So I took 3 trades today, 3 all lossing. We are negative £450. I need to go and relax because I'm not if I talk now, I'll be in big trouble. But listen, I let revenge trading get the best of me today. I'm so disappointed in myself because I don't normally do that. I don't know if maybe it's because I'm outside. I had to do it on my phone, no laptop. Fuck, that's all excuses. I'm not even trying to hear none of that, but... Oh! Man? I get it though. Listen, it's a part of the journey, it's a part of the story. It's all a part of it, but Do you know when it's just like, no, man, it just, I shouldn't be making these mistakes. Do you know what I'm saying? I shouldn't. 450, free trades, you know. I jumped into free trades today. The first one, I took the loss. Yeah, 22%. I even said to myself, I said, I can't lie. I just lost £200. I might have to, let me call it a day. I said, let me call it a day. I'm still on the charts. I'm still on the charts. Oh, something, so yeah. Second trade in. 3 trades in. I'm £455, £56 down. But it's a part of the game. It's a part of the journey. So yeah, day 2 of road to 10k. It's a part of the journey, man. We live and we learn. There's a lesson. Do you know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, man. If anybody that thinks trading's all sunshine and rainbows, man, lose. Same way, man, win. Man, have good days. Man, have bad days. You know what I'm saying? And I guess today is just one of those bad days. But we charge it. I just had to get that out because if I don't, I'm gonna go crazy, innit? Yeah, man. But all jokes aside, let's get into the words of the day, man. Mistakes are painful when they happen, but years later, a collection of mistakes is what is called experience. Long story short, so basically a day like today, I'm going to forget about it in the future. I'll probably laugh about this day and I'll be happy because I'll be like, yo, this day taught me something. It's taught me a lesson. I've made a mistake, but now that I've made that mistake, I shouldn't make that same mistake again. And if I do, I'm an idiot. Do you know what I'm saying? Because that means I did not learn. Why am I not learning? Every day you should be learning. So every mistake you make, don't go cry about it. Don't go crumble in the corner. Oh, this and that. No. That mistake is making you better. That mistake is improving you every single day. But guess what? It's only going to improve you if you understand that it's a mistake and how you can learn from that mistake. Literally. All we're doing when we're making mistakes is just we're gaining experience, we're gaining knowledge, we're gaining everything that we need because we're not in a position where we want to be right now. Do you know what I'm saying? And that's just the way life is. We're always gonna make mistakes. Not we're humans, we're not perfect. When we're not perfect, we can't live this perfect life and try and be perfect. We're gonna make mistakes. And if you're one of those people that are scared, I don't want to do this because I'm gonna make a mistake, go and do it. Put on them big boy pants, them big girl pants, and learn, because you're only gonna learn through mistakes. I guarantee you, every successful person, you could ask them, they will tell you, along the way, I made a lot of mistakes. But guess what? I wouldn't take that away. If I had to start, I wouldn't take the mistakes away. I would keep it. Because why? They taught me valuable lessons and they helped me to get to where I am today. So yeah, man, let's leave it at that. That's the word of the day. Stay focused on that bread. Stay focused. Make sure you're growing, learning every single day, man. And if you're enjoying this little journey that we're on, subscribe, man. Do you know what I mean? Love.